Hello gearheads, buckle up. Today we embark on a journey through the world of automotive safety. A realm where lives are safeguarded and innovation meets relentless ambition. Welcome to a story of excellence, a saga of triumph, and the relentless pursuit of perfection. For over a decade, a battle has raged among the titans of the automotive industry. A contest not just of speed and style, but of safety and reliability. And standing at the forefront of this battle is a name that resonates with assurance. Hyundai. Look closely, and you will find that Hyundai has been a stalwart champion, emerging victorious time and time again. As we dissect the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety Award recipients over the last 10 years, it becomes clear. This legendary Korean automaker has claimed the most coveted accolades in the automotive arena. Yet, as the dust settles on 2023, we see the mighty Toyota, with its unwavering dedication to safety, rising to the top, boasting 10 top safety picks for 2024, leaving Hyundai trailing just behind with 9. They are fierce competitors, and the landscape is ever-changing. But let us not forget, Hyundai closed out every year from 2020 to 2022 as the most awarded automaker, carving a legacy of safety into the annals of automotive history. As we navigate this intricate dance between Toyota and Hyundai, it's important to recognize the staggering achievements amassed over a decade. With Toyota holding 101 highway safety awards to Hyundai's impressive 89, it is clear this is a race of prestige and passion. A race that, as we'll see, may very well tip in Hyundai's favor once again in the coming year. Let's delve deeper into the heart of this competition. Toyota's Safety Sense, an award magnet in its own right, has set the benchmark for advanced safety technology. The Highway Safety Organization has instituted stringent testing requirements for top safety pick consideration, and Toyota has risen to the challenge, achieving remarkable ratings for its fleet. The 2024 Toyota Prius, a shining beacon of safety, has triumphed in the rigorous crash tests, scoring an almost perfect sweep. With standard features like forward collision avoidance and blind spot assist, it is not merely a car. It's a fortress on wheels, ready to shield its passengers from the unpredictable nature of the road. And then there's the 2025 Toyota Camry, an icon of reliability, adorned with advanced safety technologies that promise to keep you secure. With a perfect 5-star rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, this vehicle embodies the very essence of safety and sophistication. But let's not overlook the remarkable achievements of Hyundai, which has claimed more top safety pick awards than any other automaker. The Hyundai Ioniq Q5, the Kona, the Tucson. These aren't just cars, they are a testament to human ingenuity and our unwavering desire to protect what we hold. As we examine the competition further, we find Subaru standing proudly in third place, with Honda trailing closely behind. Each brand, a warrior in its own right, is fiercely committed to pushing the boundaries of safety, ensuring that every journey is a secure one. As we approach the horizon of autonomous vehicles, the battlefield of safety technology grows ever more intense. It is no longer enough to simply build a strong vehicle. Now, the stakes have risen, and the true champions will be those who master the advanced driver assistance systems of tomorrow. In this relentless quest for safety, we can expect brands like Toyota and Subaru to continue their reign, harnessing cutting-edge technology to not only meet but exceed the expectations of a vigilant public. So, as you drive home tonight, remember this. Safety is not just a feature, it's a promise. A promise made by automakers who understand that behind every vehicle lies a family, a dream, a future. With every award they earn, they reaffirm their commitment to keeping you and your loved ones safe. Thank you for joining us on this riveting journey. The road ahead is filled with promise, and as long as there are champions in safety, we can drive forward with confidence. Until next time, drive safe, stay safe.